Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your BMW 1 Series safely and effectively. Before we begin, it is crucial to prioritize safety. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and are not touching each other. Then, locate the designated positive and negative jumpstart terminals under your BMW's hood, which are often clearly marked. Now, let's connect the positive cables. Take one end of the red positive jumper cable and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your BMW, the one with the dead battery. Next, connect the other end of that same red cable to the positive terminal of the donor vehicle's battery. Double-check that both connections are firm to avoid any accidental sparks. Moving on to the negative cables, take one end of the black negative jumper cable and connect it to the negative terminal of the donor car's battery. For your BMW, connect the other end of the black cable to an unpainted metal ground point on the engine block or chassis, away from the battery. Never connect it directly to the dead battery's negative terminal. With all cables securely connected, start the donor vehicle and let its engine run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try starting your BMW 1 Series. Once your BMW starts, disconnect the cables in the exact reverse order. First the negative from your BMW, then the negative from the donor, followed by the positive cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.